Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw one of my favorite characters, the Grinch. Let's start with the nose. In the center of the page, draw 3 overlapping semicircles to shape the Grinch's iconic snout. Slightly above, draw a larger semicircle. From the bottom of the nose, draw a line curving downward, then connect it with a wide curved line to create the Grinch's mischievous, oversized smile. Above the snout, draw 2 large, oval-shaped eyes to give the Grinch that mischievous, devious look. Now, let's add the Grinch's signature curved eyebrows, giving him that sly, mischievous expression. The Grinch is famously green, but in Dr. Seuss's original book, he was actually black and white. It was the 1966 cartoon that made him green. Rumor has it, the color was inspired by an old rental car. How the Grinch Stole Christmas is one of the most famous Christmas stories of all time. It's been made into cartoons, movies, and even a Broadway show. Dr. Seuss, whose real name was Theodore Geisel, admitted that he felt a little grumpy around Christmas one year, and that mood gave him the idea for the Grinch. He said he looked in the mirror one day, saw a Grinch-like face staring back, and decided to create the character. He wrote the book to remind readers that Christmas isn't just about presents, it's about the joy of being together. He wanted children to understand the value of kindness, which is why the Grinch's heart grows at the end. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Just like the Grinch learned, true happiness doesn't come from presents or decorations. It comes from kindness, love, and spending time with the people we care about. So remember, the best part of any holiday or any day is sharing joy, being kind, and helping others feel loved. When we open our hearts, even just a little, it can make life so much brighter for everyone around us. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.